Guys, yesterday I went live on YouTube. We spent more than an hour where I'm actually predicting that Bitcoin is going to break out to the upside. I want to do this more often. I want to give these signals early on. As you can see right here, we did 15 hours ago a live stream. And yeah, Bitcoin hadn't broken that resistance yet. But yeah, afterwards we did broke that resistance. And what I think is very important, guys, if you really want these signals on time whenever I go live and so on, it's really important that you subscribe to this channel, but that you got that bell notification on, because I guess a lot of people, they didn't get a notification that we went live yesterday. And yeah, you kind of missed out because the signals were actually very clear that we were breaking out to the upside. And I've shared all of those signals yesterday in the live video, from the S&P 500 to the Dixie to the US dollar Theta dominance. So yeah, guys, we will be going from there right now. I will talk a little bit about the targets and what I expect with Bitcoin in the not so distant future. So guys, let's dive straight into it. If you like this content, smash up this like button. Very much appreciated. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. We are one of the best analysts over on YouTube, at least one of the most realistic ones in my opinion. And that's also the feedback that we are often getting. And yeah, so make sure to do that. Also make sure to follow us over on Twitter. We got a Twitter page from Will Portal where we are giving automated signals, but also sharing a lot of TA. We also predicted this pump right there over on the Bitcoin, over on the Will Portal Twitter. So yeah, that's all very good. Then guys, let's dive into Bitcoin. And yeah, so far we got that breakout right here. We first saw that breakout over on the relative strength index. That's why we knew we most likely are going to break out in the price too. The chances are increasing. Also on Will Portal, guys, we saw that the funding rates were positive, but not extremely positive. And generally, if you compare that to previous times, this was quite bullish for the past week. So the market structure might be slightly changing right here. Funding rates right now are also very slightly positive, which means that a lot of shorts are loading up, which tells me that this move isn't done yet. But I'm going to give you a clear target of where I think we might get a rejection. So, if we have a look at the targets, then the first target after we broke was this green box. That was the first resistance at starting at 20.4k, going up to 20.430. But more importantly is the middle of the channel right here. That is 20.6k, I would say. That is an important level because it is the middle of the channel. The middle of the channel often is being respected very much. So we can see it right here. It's been acting as support. We break through it, we fall through it. Right here we can see it acted as support, resistance, support. So often when we have these channels, to check whether a channel is significant or not, you got to check the middle of the channel. If that one is being respected, then the channel might be significant. Then guys, there is right here, the top of the channel is roughly at 21,000 US dollars. I think Bitcoin can reach 21,000 US dollars, but there's a big but right here. It is possible, guys, that we get a rejection from 21k, because also when we have a look at the order book, there are a lot of people selling their Bitcoin at 21,000 US dollars. And if you want to take profits on this long, I would say try to take profits before 21,000 US dollars. Maybe already take some out of here. You can put the stop loss right there. So if we turn around, you still exit with profit. You have 100% profit based on the trade that I've been sharing with you guys yesterday. So yeah, that would be the play that I would take within this trade and within this Bitcoin structure. When we have a look at the other charts, S&P 500 is looking okay. Momentum indicators are going up. Price is still below the resistance. For bullish continuation, we want to see this breaking above the resistance of roughly 3,755. Dixie, as predicted yesterday, guys, got rejected or at least lost the 61.80%. There was someone in the chat yesterday saying no, the Dixie goes to 115. all possible, but in the shorter term time frame, we just go and bam, we are reaching the 61.80%. Most of the time, we won't break that level in once, so it makes sense to go down and get a little breather. Then when we have a look at the US dollar Theta dominance, then also prediction came true. We broke back into this, we lost this level again, this upper green line. Then we broke back into this kind of rising wedge formation. We back tested as resistance, we came back down. So this was actually quite a easy trade, and that is also what I'm trying to teach here, guys. You don't have to be in a trade 24/7 every day, look at opportunities and stuff. No, but you can just wait for the right moment. So yesterday was the right moment. That was also the reason why I wanted to go live, because I thought, let's do something live. Let's have a look at a trade before it actually happens, right? And we didn't catch that breakout on the live stream, but I guess the moment I quit the live, couple hours later, we did saw that breakout occur. So yeah, that is just important. And if you don't want to miss out on that next times, make sure to subscribe down below and make sure to hit that bell icon. That is very, very important. Then guys, that was it for today's video. As I explained yesterday in my live video as well, people often ask about updates on Will Portal. Well, Will Portal right now is significantly growing, and you got a chance to enter the VIP section totally for free. I will give a quick explanation. So right now we are building a alert section for the Will Portal website dashboard, where you basically will get alerts on these charts, but also you will get extra alerts on significant levels in the Dixie, in the US dollar Theta dominance, in the USDC dominance. A lot of different charts. All of these signals will be automatically shared over in that alert channel, and yeah, you are able to actually enter that channel for free if you are an active trader. And guys, this is a major opportunity for every single one of you. If you are right now here in the community and Will Portal is still in its growing phase, you can just enter the VIP section by joining either Bybit, BitGet, Prime XBT or Femix and be an active trader. If you are an active trader on one of these exchanges and you signed up with the affiliate link below this video, you will be able to join that VIP channel for free. And of course, we will have a small group of traders who can join for free, who will take this opportunity. But once the VIP section is more finalized, we will have to charge a monthly fee for new users. And that means that if you are already in this channel, you will be excluded from that monthly fee. So you can actually just enter for free. It doesn't cost you anything, because the fees on these exchanges you have to pay anyway. The only thing that happens is that the exchange is sharing a part of that fee with us, with Will Portal, so we can use that money to reinvest in Will Portal. So that's just how we want to do it. I want to give every single one of you from the community right here, I want to give you the opportunity to join that alert channel for free. You can only do so if you are an active trader. So if you just sign up on Bybit and you send your user ID, that isn't working. You gotta sign up, you gotta deposit some money, you gotta be an active trader. So guys, take in mind, this is for serious traders only. But yeah, it is a nice opportunity, because we will continue to work on Will Portal. Will Portal is becoming a bigger and bigger platform. That alert channel will be very, very significant for you as a trader. You don't have to be 24/7 in front of the charts. No, you can just wait until you get alerts and then sit in front of the charts. Will save you a lot of time, a lot of hassle, and will give you a even better grip on the markets than what Will Portal right now is already offering. So guys, if you are interested in that, I would say join one of these exchanges down below. There will come a small time gap in the future where you are able to send your user ID to me, and then I will put you into that VIP group. Right now we are still working on developing that. But you might be too late once that week started. So once I'm announcing that you can send your user ID, it might be already too late, because you gotta sign up, you gotta be an active trader. And if you at that moment are not an active trader, then you might miss it, because after some time we will close that and it will continue into a monthly fee. But we want to start off with the community, start off with a free option, so that everybody can just join for free. The ones that are actually early here, and the ones that right now already watching these videos daily. This is just an opportunity for us, for both sides. It's a win-win situation. So if you are interested in that, guys, check out my affiliate links down below. Also, when you sign up on one of these exchanges, you will get an additional bonus using this specific affiliate link. And the best exchange that I think to trade Bitcoin and altcoins is Bybit, of course. Bitget is very nice too. That's a new exchange. I think it's definitely very nice. Prime XBT is a very nice exchange, especially if you want to trade the S&P 500 and commodities and such. Femex is also a very good exchange. I'm using all of these exchanges, guys, and I also think it's important that you have multiple exchanges where you trade on. So I trade most of my capital over on Bybit. I trade a little bit of my capital over on Bitget. I trade some of my capital over on Prime XBT, and some of my capital I trade over on Femex. So it's a little bit divided. I think that's important than to just have all your capital on one exchange. But that's just the way how I do it. Also, guys, if you want to follow Will Porter YouTube, you want to find the Will Porter website, these links you can find below this video as well, very important. And a cryptocurrency trading course that I've made myself and helped already hundreds and hundreds of people to become a successful cryptocurrency trader based on their needs as a trader. You can find the course there. That is definitely a highly recommended thing to do, especially right now in the bear market, to take the time, invest in yourself, go through this course, and after this course you will be a completely different trader, looking at the markets completely different, and you will be able, because this course is really focused on training you how to think in creating your own profitable trading strategy that fits your need as a trader. So I'm explaining a lot of different trading strategies, and I'm also explaining how you can basically create your own, which things you need to think of, what kind of metrics you can use, how you should handle yourself emotionally, and so on. All of these things are being explained in this trading course. And from the hundreds of people I got that are enrolled to this course, I actually got so much good feedback, and a lot of people actually, after doing this course, they've changed their job into crypto. I got multiple emails from students of mine who actually work right now in full-time in crypto after doing the trading course. So that is also very nice. You can find the Twitter links down here below as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a great day ahead, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.